Hi there, I'm Andrew. Welcome to Urban Rider for another look at some of the world's finest riding gear. Today we're going to be showing you the Belstaff Duration Boots. These are new for 2019 and part of the all-new lineup from Belstaff for this year. All of the items in this fantastic new collection are now fully CE approved, and the Duration Boots are actually C approved to level 2, the highest level that a boot can be. So this is ranking them with the very best in terms of safety and protection, but being Belstaff, you're getting something that excels in that all-day on and off the bike wearability and in the wonderful styling of them. These are one of two new boots in this new lineup. We also have the Resolve, which you can check out in one of our other video reviews, a worker style boot, whereas these ones are very similar if you're familiar with last year's collection to the Whitwood and the Whitwood 2.0. These are essentially an evolution of that concept, which proved very popular. They have some key revisions and additions. So the main one being this introduction of the C level 2 approval, but we have things like the fact that the zip, which used to appear on the rear section of the Whitwood on the Duration boots, now is down the inside, which is much better aesthetically. It's also better ergonomically as well. So these are a waterproof pull-up leather boot. So they feature a really fine 1.8 to 2 mil thick, high grade quality leather on the outer. It has a very, very slight, almost suede finish to the outer, which gives it a really lovely look. So rather than being shiny, it has a more sort of matted finish to it. As you can see, there is triple and double stitching everywhere throughout this boot. You have a Goodyear welt around this very sturdy, quality made Vibram anti-slip rubber sole, which is going to give a lot of longevity to these. So they're a bit of an investment at £275, but they are very well made and you can be guaranteed that these are going to last you many years. The actual operation of this section where you get in and out of these, this is what I love because it's so easy to do. In terms of laces, sometimes you can take a little bit too much time and effort getting those on and off in the morning, whereas these, super easy. Simple Velcro overlay exposing this lovely Belstaff branded zipper, running down the inside, and then a massive gusseted piece behind it, which it makes it very easy to get your foot in and out of here with no trouble at all. Zip it up and you're good to go in a matter of seconds. So I love that. The inside of the lining is an incredibly comfortable sports liner. It's minorly padded throughout. It has an anatomically shaped footbed, but it's just really comfortable, and it has this waterproof breathable membrane as well as this sports liner to help wick away moisture, regulating the humidity inside the boot and making it comfortable in all riding conditions, regardless of how hot or how wet it is on the outside. As you can clearly see, you have several sections of this overlaid piece of this pull-up leather on the upper. So we have one main overlay piece to this upper section, which is then overlaid once more with this gear selector protection, which is actually on both of the boots for added symmetry, and that's obviously going to prevent any damage to the upper of the boot caused by abrasion from something like a metal gear selector. These boots fit true to size. They're in stock and available now. And if you have any questions, comments or feedback, as always, we encourage you to leave that in the section below. And do stay tuned for more video reviews of the world's finest riding gear. Thank you very much for watching. We'll see you again soon. Goodbye.